Line follower robot based on Arduino is a must-do project while learning Arduino. It has two IR sensors to detect the color difference between the line and surface and give their feedback to Arduino, which in turn command the motor to follow the line. Let's see how to assemble the Roinco line follower robotic kit. We will start with fixing Arduino and breadboard on the Arduino and breadboard holder plate. This can be separated from the robot and can be used for making different Arduino projects. To fix the Arduino board, we will use Arduino screw set. Use the screwdriver to fix the board firmly. First mount the 4 metal studs on the base plate, then put the Arduino on top and fix with remaining 3 screws. Please note here that only 3 screws can be fixed on top due to design of Arduino. Next, attach the breadboard. Remove the paper from breadboard and attach it carefully as per the line printed on the plate and press it gently. Next, take the robot main chassis and fix the L-type BO motor on it. Use the motor screw set to fix the motor. Use caster screw set to fix the caster wheel. Bed shape IR sensor mount has to be fixed along with caster wheel. Next, we have to mount the 3 hex spacer on the chassis. And then put the IR sensor mount before putting the caster wheel and fix it with the screw. Now you have to fix the Arduino holding plate on the chassis using the Arduino screw set. Now we have to fix the 6 AA battery holder. First, fix the battery holder using the screw and nut, but before that insert the power jack through the hole. After fixing the battery holder, fix the cell holding plate using the hex spacer. Cell holding plate helps to avoid falling off cell. Now finally you have to take the rubber wheel and just fix them on the motor. Next is to attach the motor shield on the Arduino. Next we will use IR sensor on the robot. For this we will use IR sensor screw set. Now you have to connect the motor to the motor shield. Identify the wire of right and left motor and connect them on the motor shield as shown. Now we have to connect the sensor to motor shield using female to female jumper wire. Follow the connection diagram as shown here. D pin of the left sensor is connected to D8 pin of motor shield and D pin of the right sensor is connected to D7. Connect the sensor as shown earlier. Now we have to upload the code into the Arduino board. You can download the code from the link given in the description. To understand how the code works, check out our another video explaining the code. Again, the link is in the description. Now make a 2.5 cm wide white line on black surface for running your robot. To calibrate the sensor, remove the wheel so that you can see the direction of motor rotating according to the sensor input. Now connect the power supply to the Arduino. Put both the sensor facing the black surface. You can see LED is on, which is digitally high, but on black surface sensor LED must be off. So we will rotate the preset on sensor till LED stops. Now you can see both LEDs are off and motors are rotating in forward direction. Now facing the white surface LED glows. So to calibrate, make sure if sensor is facing black surface, LED must be off, and if sensor is facing white surface, LED must be on. Now fix the wheel again and your robot is ready to follow the line.